Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about very interesting subject in astrology, very interesting topic. People wants to know about this subject or this topic when they are under the Rahu Mahadasha. The topic is Rahu and depths. Because I saw a lot of birth chart by the grace of God with your great love and trust on me. There's a lot of consultancy, people calling me or sending me the email. I check the horoscope. So I'm doing my lot of practice on astrology. Those native who are under Rahu Mahadasha, they are badly suffering in a financial up and down because Rahu is not a stable planet. I told you in about Rahu in so many videos. Rahu is a planet of mystery. Rahu is a planet of illusion. Rahu is not a planet. Rahu is a shadow. It is all about shadow. Rahu always give results after great struggle, great hard work, great tension, great phobia, great stress during Rahu Mahadasha. Rahu, always far away from reality. You are thinking something else and Rahu deliver you something else in Rahu Mahadasha because this is Rahu nature. So guys, if you are a businessman, if you are in any financial sector, like you are a stockbroker, you are investing your money in stock market, you don't invest your money without without consult with any nearest astrologer because he will guide you in which house Rahu plays in your birth chart, in which zodiac sign Rahu plays in your birth chart, in which nakshatra, in which padacharan Rahu plays in your birth chart. And he will guide you, is this good placement of Rahu to earn money from stock market or not? Because a lot of people are suffering in 2020 because the market sudden downfall, stock market, and they are suffering and they lost more than, one of my friend, they lost more than $40,000 and $50,000 in stock market. So I would suggest you to everyone, don't take risk if you are under Rahu Mahadasha. If you are under Rahu Antardasha, if you are under Rahu any type of transit like first house or seventh house, don't take any risk because Rahu will always give you struggling results or bad results, or this is not a very promising time because Rahu is all about shadow. Rahu is far away from reality. You are investing your money first time, like I give you one example, $5,000, and you will earn 3,000 more. Your 5,000 become 8,000. But at the end, when you start investing your money more, like 20,000, 30,000, you can lose your money. This is Rahu. So try to don't start any intraday or trading during Rahu Mahadasha or Antardasha. Otherwise, you will be suffering. You will always face a lot of debts. If you are any financial advisor, if you are any financial investor, don't try to put your money without consent with any astrologer because astrology is like a lamp in a dark room. If you consult with any astrologer, he will guide you through their knowledge. He will let you know which path is good for you, which path is bad for you, wrong for you. You can follow which path. If you want to invest your money in stock market, you may invest, but after 6 months or after 1 year or after 2 months or after 2 weeks or right now, this is a very good time to invest. Your astrologer will let you know everything. And that will be helpful a lot for you, especially for those native who are investing their money in stock market or any type of mutual funds or financial activities under Rahu Mahadasha, under Ketu Mahadasha. They need to consult their astrologer. Because astrology is like a lamp in a dark room. Astrology is like an umbrella in a rain. Nobody can stop the rain, but umbrella can protect you. So guys, follow the right path as per your birth chart. If you have a good yoga in your birth chart, if you have a good Mahadasha, Antardasha in your birth chart, and that planet well placed in your birth chart, you will definitely invest your money in stock market, in mutual fund, in intraday, in trading, any type of stock trading. And you will get benefit by the grace of God because you have a good planet Mahadasha. If that planet plays in your 5th house, 11th house, 9th house, 2nd house, and that planet Mahadasha is active in your birth chart, you will definitely blessed with a lot of profit in your life. There is no doubt. But if you have a Rahu, Ketu or Saturn Mahadasha and that is debilitated in your birth chart or not well placed in your birth chart and they are not connected with your 5th house, 11th house, 9th house or 2nd house, then you don't put your money, don't invest your money in stock market, don't invest your money in mutual fund. So Rahu Mahadasha create a lot of problem if you're investing your money in stock market. I would suggest you to everyone, because Rahu, you will think something else and Rahu will deliver you something else. This is Rahu nature, because Rahu is a shadow. Rahu don't have own astitva. Rahu don't have own position in solar system. Rahu don't have own house in solar system. Rahu is a planet which is a only shadow and very far away from Earth. And when Rahu going to give you the bad result, people are suffering a lot in Rahu Mahadasha in stock market. They bear a lot of losses. They are under big debts because Rahu is active in the birth chart. So guys, if you want to invest your money in stock market, if you want to invest your money in a mutual fund or any type of stock market investment, first you must consult with your astrologer. He will let you know which type of planets you have, which type of Rahu Mahadasha you have. I saw a lot of people, they earn a lot of money in Rahu Mahadasha because Rahu is exalted, for example, and Rahu is in good nakshatra, and nakshatra lord is also placed in 11th house or 5th house, and they earn a lot of money. So I am delivering the message to all of my YouTube friends, because these days, today's people are very much interested to making smart money through stock markets without hard work, because we earn money in stock market without hard work. So I would suggest you to everyone, you may earn, you may invest, but after the consult of your nearest astrologer, he will guide you which type of Mahadasha, which type of planet you have. Do you have a productive Mahadasha? Do you have a good planet Mahadasha which will give you lot of gains in stock market? Or this is not a right time to invest your money in stock market. This is all up to you. So if you are under Rahu Mahadasha, Ketu Mahadasha, first consult with your astrologer. If he gives you the green signal to invest your money in stock market, you may invest and you will get lot of good gains. If your Rahu Ketu connected with 2nd house, 5th house, 9th house or 11th house, and nakshatra is also strong, you will definitely get a lot of smart gains from stock market. Your money will be double, triple within a year or 2 years or 3 years. So guys, first you must consult with your nearest astrologer. I'm praying for your happy future, and try to invest your money with a consult with any astrologer. He will definitely guide you in a right way, which day, which month, which week is good for you as per your individual birth chart, and that will be helpful for you. Otherwise, you will see a lot of up and down in Rahu 18 years Mahadasha or Rahu 3 years Antardasha. You will face a lot of troubles. You will under deep depths. Thank you for watching my video. I'm praying for your happy future. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.